Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enter into safe mode in our phone Moto G04. First of all, go to power off option. Just long press this power button to have power off option. If it's not working, you should use power button and volume up button together. Okay. Here I have already set power button in power off menu in power button itself. Okay, by default it will not be like that. You got to press both power button and volume up button to bring power off menu. Okay, as I have changed power off menu to power button only, I long press this power button to have the power off option. This is power off option, and here long press on power off. Just long press, and now it will ask you to reboot to safe mode. So you can enter into safe mode if you click on OK, and your phone will be restarting and it will be going to the safe mode. Wait few seconds. Your phone is loading now. Just wait. So to enter into safe mode, what you have to do is just long press on the power off option that will appear while pressing the power button, or if you press power button and volume up button together. Okay, now I show how it looks like. See here, see in the bottom left side you will see safe mode. So your phone is in now safe mode. In this way you can easily enter into safe mode in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.